Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Taahira B. So I want to show you guys just some random ish that I bought during my hiatus. It'll be like a super short haul video. It's nothing that serious. Like, I really wasn't shopping for real anyway, but just thought I'd show you guys some of the goodies I bought, which looking now, I realize is mainly shoes. And then I do have two things that came in or that I bought for my birthday, which I am going to be vlogging my party. So I do want to show you guys that stuff too. So yeah. Okay. So, of course, I'll have links for you guys for anything that's still in stock. But yeah. I mean, one thing I bought from the store, but whatever. All right. So first up though, I do want to do this. I don't even know. Let me see. Let me try to get that. I bought this link from Amazon for my Apple Watch because I wear my Apple Watch every day, like anyone who has an Apple Watch, but my thing was I didn't want the sporty watch face or the sporty band or whatever that everyone has. So I got this. I don't think I spent more than $25 for this. I don't know, but this way, dressing up for work or whatever, I'm not having a stupid sporty band. I don't know, but yeah, I got it from Amazon. I like it. I think I've had it for, it's been months now, but I really like it. Okay. Listen, I haven't done this in so long. I'm always out of breath now. But next, if you follow my Instagram at the Taahira B, you probably already seen these unboxings. But of course, I got the infamous Marc Jacobs totes. So I have two, because I'm me. But I bought two of them. I don't know if I want the black one, but whatever. But I had the army green one, of course. So they're this cloth type material. They're not that serious, but I like them. They're cute because y'all know I live for a small bag. It is bigger than what I like, but I really like it. It's a super cute chill bag. Of course, I got my signature foxtail on it, but yeah, I like it. It's bigger than what I normally wear, so I just feel like I be having so much junk in it. I'm starting to wear this a lot more, and I'm trying not to just because it's cloth material. I don't want to get it dirty or until I figure out how to clean them. I don't know. But yeah, so I have these, which, oh, I love them. I just love them. I have nothing bad to say about these bags. I love it. I may go back and get the black one, but I feel like I have so many black bags. Not really, but you know. And then I'll do this one. So my best friend, she they live by this. Two of my best friends, they live by this damn Paris Hilton scent. So it has become my night scent because I love it. But it's soft because oh, I don't know. I love it. I can't even describe what it smells like. Let me see. I know I shouldn't be spraying my skin, but I don't know, it's a soft fruit, oh, I don't know, it's just a soft scent. You should talk like this when you hear this scent. But no, I love that. I think I actually got that from Burlington, $16 on sale. So yes. And then during the whole, when Tom Ford first came out with those clump heel, I don't even know what to call it, but that everybody was going crazy over, your girl can't afford Tom Ford yet. So I tried to go to Ego, which we know they had the knockoff ones. Those were sold out. And I plan to get those in every color. Because when they came out, I think it was close to my friend's birthday or something. I don't know. But they were sold out. But then Ego came out with these ones. Y'all. Listen, I'm already tall, but I don't care because the higher the heel, the closer to God. But it's a fake snake print. It's not really snake. Let me get up close so y'all can see the print on it. But oh, yo, I love these. Have I worn them yet? No. And I say them. You heard me say them because yes, I ordered this. What is this color considered? Cream. Yeah, it's a cream, this creamish color. Then I ordered them me showing things that I ordered in multiple colors for me. Then I ordered them in gold. Y'all see, I haven't even opened this yet because I didn't even wear it, but and this is what the gold looks like close up. But I ordered this in gold. They're so amazing. I ordered shoes for my birthday and I could have worn these. I may wear one of these instead. And then oh, I did get black and I got black. Okay. Your girl got black. Like, these are so cute because I love it. Like, listen, with some like flare jeans and a t-shirt, this is a vibe. Like, and of course, dressed up. I love these so much. I'm wearing them on my boyfriend's birthday. Oh, I just love these. Like, they're just such a sexy shoe, and I can't afford the real Tom Ford one, so these will do. Like, I am fine with this. But I love them. Y'all see I got all these colors because Ego, listen, Ego can do no wrong in my eyes, okay? Like, oh, I just love it. And then another pair of shoes I got, which I'm realizing I got a lot of shoes, but whatever, were these, the platform Puma jumps or whatever. I don't even know what they call, but I know I'm late to the game because they're old, because I think my brother had got my mom some for her birthday. And I was like, I need these. Her birthday or Mother's Day? I've been gone so long. I don't know. He got them for her for something. And I was like, I want these. So I ordered them. I like them. Super comfy. Y'all know I love platforms. Like, I'm some short girl, but I don't care. Like, I love it. And then, let's see, what else? So, I have 2 more things. But this is like stuff I ordered for my birthday. So actually, I'm not going to open this yet because I don't know. I'm waiting for the other one to come in and my birthday dress to see which one I like or contrast with it the best. So I'll put a picture up, post a look. And then, of course, like I said, I'm gonna vlog it, but I'll also have it like up on my TikTok as I'm getting ready and like my Instagram and stuff. So make sure you guys follow me there. But this is a rhinestone face mask. And just so you guys can kind of see. So, I got it off Amazon. And yeah, like I said, I got them for my birthday to go with my dress. So I'm trying to see which one kind of vibes better. Because I'm going to send it back because I ain't never going to wear no shit like this again. So that's why I'm like, I only need one. Don't need to be wasting my money on 2. They were like $10. So I'm going to just do a credit for my account because everyone knows everyone shops Amazon like crazy. But yeah, so I got this for my birthday. And then this for my hair that I actually got from fucking Dollar Tree. Look at this. It's so cute. Like, I don't know if y'all can see. It's like, what is it called? Iridescent, when it's like the multiple colors or whatever. But yeah, I got this. It'll all make sense when you see my birthday outfit. But yeah, so I got this for my hair from Dollar Tree. I was like, yes, come through Dollar Tree. Because I was getting like some stuff to do my DIYs, my centerpieces. So yeah. But anyway, so that wraps up the video. Like I said, it was a super short haul. I really wasn't shopping too much during my little whatever. So thank you guys for watching. I'm so happy to be back. Of course, make sure you guys give the video a thumbs up and follow me if you aren't already. Of course, you can keep up with me in the meantime on Instagram, since I only post Thursdays here. At the Taahira B, and my Twitter is at the Taahira B too, because I feel like Instagram about to be gone. And then I've started a TikTok. And it's Taahira B, I believe. I feel like I want to change it to it's Taahira B, bitch. But I'm about to be 30 next week, so like, is that appropriate? But whatever. So yeah, I will see you guys next week. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.